Argumentative Essay 2. Computers can completely replace books. Argue for or against the topic. Technological advancement worldwide has been rampant. In 2021, the numbers of Kindle bought globally is estimated to be around 150 million. However, it is crucial to recognize that books and computers cater to diverse learning styles. I believe computers can never fully replace books. Reading physical books reduces screen time. Excess screen time strains the eyes. Computers also emit harmful radiation which can cause health deterioration and cause brain tumors and migraines. Online reading causes many distractions. A reader might get notifications from friends and from various social media sites, which may continuously interrupt their reading. Such distractions may cause poor retention of the content of the books. Furthermore, it is impossible to imagine a world where students would not have to carry books to school. Carrying mobile phones instead of physical books would give rise to numerous other problems. The battery of electronic devices, such as Kindle, is made from lithium, an inexhaustible mineral. It is a non-renewable source and cannot be used forever. Paper, however, is a renewable resource that can be used for many generations. Computers are uneconomical. If computers fully replace books, then each person in the world would have to own a personal computer. This would be an added burden to the underprivileged class. Old books can also be donated, while a computer cannot, and needs to be replaced every 3 to 4 years. Additionally, if a computer is stolen, lost, or damaged, then all the content would be lost. On the other hand, if a book is lost, it can easily be xeroxed. However, no one can xerox a computer. The feel of pages on the fingertips and the smell of old books provide the reader with an immersive reading. It is an experience that transcends and involves the reader into deep mental and emotional engagement with the book. It is for these reasons that I think that it is absurd to even imagine that books can ever be replaced by the computer. Physical books leave a deep impact on the reader that e-books cannot even compete with.